Oh, hello there. I'm just enjoying a tasty major scale. Would you like me to show you how I made it? Come on to the kitchen. A major scale follows a recipe: 1 starting pitch, 5 whole steps, and 2 half steps. A half step is the distance from one pitch to the very next pitch with no pitch in between, like C to C sharp or E flat to E. A whole step is the distance from one note to another with one pitch in between, like C to D with a C sharp in between, or D to E with an E flat in between. Let's build a C major scale starting on a C. First, we add 2 whole steps. That brings us to D and E. Next, the recipe calls for 1 half step, E to F, no notes in between. Next, we need 3 more whole steps, F to G, G to A, and A to B. Notice each one has one pitch in between. Finally, we top it off with a half step from B to C.